At Z-Tronix, one of our specialized capabilities is printed circuit board assembly. As an experienced leader of the industry, we manage tooling and house material to custom design, prototype, manufacture and test for the endless variety of configurations on the market. Our PCB capabilities include by hand and automated assembling, enabling through hole and surface mount assembling. Our automated tools are capable of efficiently placing solder paste onto PCBs, mount 15,000 components per hour, manufacture 0201 PC boards. PCB assemblies are used throughout many industries, such as the medical, lighting, electronics, and automotive industry, to name a few. This comes as no surprise, as a handful of applications in these industries require the use of PC boards, such as medical imaging systems, LED residential lighting, communication devices, and automotive entertainment and navigation systems. Along with the variety of unique tooling and accessories mentioned previously, dedicated time and expertise is required to manufacture quality-certified PCB assemblies. Therefore, manufacturers that require printed circuit board assemblies in their applications can fully rely on Z-Tronix's readiness and equipment that's ideal for PCB assembly solutions by calling 562-808-0800 today.